Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the condenser fan motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the base grill forward to remove. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Pull the condenser fan blade off of the motor shaft. Use a 5/16" wrench to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the fan motor to the bracket. Pull the old motor free and disconnect the wire connector. Install the new condenser fan motor by first connecting the wire connector. Then align the motor on the bracket and thread the screws to secure. Slide the fan blade onto the motor shaft until fully seated. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the base grill by aligning the ends of the grill with the leveling assemblies, then snap the grill into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.